We all know that with CPA marketing, it actually involves you driving a lot of traffic to your CPA marketing offers on any demographic of your choice right there. Have you ever thought about doing such offers yourself right here? That's why in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can actually go on to self-clicking such offers and actually go on to making money with CPA marketing, doing that right here in the year 2023 and beyond. With that said, let's jump right ahead into today's video. So you can actually head onto this platform, which is called the CPAGRIP.com, to actually utilize that. You could go on to clicking on register. If you don't have an account, you'll be brought to a page such as this. You want to fill out this form appropriately, and make sure you do go on to filling out the sections that are actually having the red asterisk signs, as that actually indicates the fields that are necessary for you to go on to fill in before your account can be created on this platform. You could see the section which says publisher type. It is quite important that you actually do select either the web instance or the GPT, as that actually helps your account get approved almost immediately. You can do it through the terms of services. If you don't have time, agree to the terms of services and actually do go on to clicking on register now, and your account will be created on this platform. And guys, if you want to see multiple CPA marketing platforms or offers you want to promote, you could click on offer tools right now, and if you go on to clicking on my offers, you'll be able to see a lot of CPA offers which you can go on to promoting. And this actually do depends on the demographic which you want to focus on. If I want to focus on the United States demographic, I could just simply go on to selecting that right now, and I will be shown offers available to that demographic right here. So you want to just simply try as much as possible to come on time and grab cool and amazing CPA marketing offers which you want to promote right here. And you could promote offers to top tier countries right now. And for you to actually go into completing these offers yourself, you can actually do take advantage of clicking on a particular offer right now, and you'll be shown more details about that offer. It actually has to be using an Apple iOS device. You need to be actually using your mobile install offer, because you need to actually go on to installing an application for this particular offer, and the payout to the offer is about 89 cents right here. Here you could just simply fix your unique or get your unique affiliate link to that offer right now. But guys, you want to just simply make sure you go on to focusing on maybe other types of offers apart from the mobile install offer right there. So you could use offers like the pin submit offer right now, or the credit card submit offers. Those offers right there can easily be maneuvered and go on to doing the self-clicking right here with such kinds of offers. All you actually have to do to complete such offers is make sure, guys, that you do actually get the details about that offer right here. As you can see, if this is the offer, for instance, I can just simply copy a unique affiliate link to promoting this particular offer and go on to pasting that in a new tab. If I do paste that in a new tab, guys, I can actually do take advantage of a VPN network right here. As you can see, I do have access to the Urban VPN, which is actually a Chrome extension on my device. And there are some VPNs where you do actually have to go on to editing the device features right there. You could even go on to changing your phone to act like a laptop, or changing your laptop to act as an Android phone right now. So depending on the offer which you do actually get right there, it depends on how you're going to change your phone right now, and that is actually going to help you click on that particular offer, which if you do go on to getting a successful lead or complete that offer right there, you do get paid about $1.45. And guys, you can even go as far as getting temporary phone numbers online right here. You'll be able to see a lot of platforms right here where you can get temporary phone numbers right now. So guys, you could also go on to using this platform right here, which is called the temp-mail.org. As this platform right here will actually enable you to go on to get temporary email addresses which you can actually go on to using to complete some CPA marketing offers right here. As you can see, you could get temporary email addresses right here and use. The cool thing about this is that it also has a section where you can actually see the confirmation page of maybe a sign up or a particular message right there on that particular landing page or email right there. So you just want to take advantage of this right now and actually use that to go on to driving a lot of leads to some kinds of offers right there on CPAGRIP. And guys, you could use that to actually focus more on the offers in the category of email and zip offers right there, to actually try as much as possible to go on to earning some cool cash on this platform. So you can actually go on to focusing more on the people that are earning a lot using CPA marketing, and actually use similar strategy which they do use right there. Or you could then just simply go on to doing the soft clicking method by actually using a VPN to go on to completing that yourself. But it is quite important that once you use a VPN, before completing the offer again, you want to just simply go on to clearing your browser's history, and that is actually going to enable or disable the traces right there of you completing that offer previously, so as not to make sure or endanger your account right here using CPAGRIP. So you could use this strategy right here, getting a cool VPN that can actually help you imitate yourself, telling them they are from any country of your choice, and you can then just simply copy the link, go on to completing that offer, and you make money doing so. So guys, this is an amazing strategy which you could even start up as a beginner to start making money online right now. And guys, if you're new to my channel, I create videos about make money online, CPA marketing, and other how to use some AI tools out there. So if you like such content, why not just simply go to smashing the like button, subscribe to my channel, and make sure your notification bells are turned on all. See you all in my next video guys, and goodbye.